Hi guys, I am Dr. Shambhu Yadav, a neuroscientist and a stress biologist from Harvard Medical School. For a long time, I believed success means working non-stop, long hours, skipped meals, late night emails, and constant pressure. I thought that pushing through exhaustion showed dedication. But one day I hit a wall. My eye was burning, my eye was hurting, my brain felt heavy, and I couldn't focus at all. It felt like my mind was whispering, "Please stop." That moment changed everything for me. I realized that working harder doesn't always mean working better. And this is supported by neuroscience that our brain don't stay focused for forever. It works in a natural cycle, about 90 minutes of focus followed by a drop in energy. After that point, mistakes goes up, motivation falls, and creativity dim. When we ignore this, we don't become more productive, we become drained. The first time I took a real break, I felt guilty. But I stood up, walked outside, and breathed for a few minutes. To my surprise, I returned with clear thoughts, better ideas, and more energy. What felt like lost time was actually a reset my brain desperately needed. And there is a real biology behind it, real neuroscience behind it. During a pause, dopamine, which is the motivation chemical, recharged. Adenosine, the tiredness chemicals, drops. Cortisol, which is the stress hormone, start to shut up. A break isn't luxury, it's a chemical reset for our brain and body. It helps you learn better, remember more, and solve problems faster. But the different breaks help in different ways. A few seconds to stretch or breathe refresh your brain quickly. A 10 to 20 minute walk gives you deeper recovery. When I skipped breaks, my afternoon were hard to survive. But when I started stepping outside, even briefly, my energy and mood bounced back. I finally understood breaks are not interruption, they are real fuel to be more productive. And then mind wander. Letting your brain wander during pause also boosts creativity. When your brain enters its default mode, it starts connecting ideas in the new ways. Some of my best solutions appeared during simple moments like walking, looking at trees, or just sitting quietly. And research shows that people solve problems better after a break, not during long hours sitting. Break also help with emotions. Regular pause lower cortisol, making you calmer and more patient. I noticed that I handle stress better, made decisions more easily, and felt more confident through the day. But not all break works. Scrolling on your phone doesn't reset the brain. Movement, fresh air, stretching, or deep breathing does. Short breaks every hour and longer breaks after intense work match how the brain naturally functions. Active breaks energize the body, quiet breaks soothe the mind. Today I organize my day around pauses. Morning focus session, micro break, afternoon walk, meal away from the desk. My energy lasts longer. My thinking is sharper and work feels lighter. Pause didn't slow me down, they helped me grow. So my friends, breaks are not wasted time. They are the secret to real productivity. They restore your energy, improve your focus, spark your creativity, and protect your emotional health. Pausing isn't a weakness, it's a smart strategy. So start small. Stand up, stretch, breathe, step outside for a few minutes. You will feel the difference. Your brain will reward you with energy, clarity, and better ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.